When you need lighting solutions due to early lamp failure from extreme vibration, you need Brutus. Brutus is the rough surface metal halide solution. The Brutus lamp provides a great solution for severe vibration in many applications while lowering maintenance costs and saving time associated with replacing early lamp failures. Here, a competitor's pulse start metal halide lamp shows extensive arc tube displacement, which will cause early failure. The shock and vibration results in mount braces pivoting on single-point fastening straps, which dislocates the arc tube and breaks mechanical and electrical welds. Now watch how the Brutus lamp is held securely in place without displacement of the arc tube or bulb. The Brutus patented design incorporates extra reinforcing braces around the arc tube and also at the top and bottom section of the bulb. These extra reinforcing braces prevent electrical failures, arc tube dislocation or breakage, and short life due to rough handling, vibration, and wind whipping. Brutus is available in multiple wattages in both pulse start and probe start lamps. You can also get them with the reduced jacket design. The lamps are in stock and made in America. So if you have short lamp life caused by distorted frames, displaced arc tubes, or internal weld failures from vibration, wind whipping, or rough material handling, you need Brutus.